Guys, this is after 10 p.m. and I worked in the hospital, so I parked my car in the hospital car park, and look at this beautiful creature. I thought it was a drawing. Seriously. So why are you guys not sleeping? Why are you guys not sleeping? Guys, I love nature. I love birds. Let me wind down and see if they're gonna fly. Hey, you're not sleeping. Why? I don't want to scare you, okay? Just stay there. I don't mean to scare you. I'm just saying hi. Merry Christmas! It's beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Okay.